everyone. I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of managerial economics. In this video, I'm going to discuss a case study on managerial economics, that is Maruti Suzuki's sales challenges and marketing strategies. So, in the year of 2011, the one of the like a popular automobile company, that is Maruti Suzuki, they have faced the challenges and we should understand how they overcome those challenges. What are the strategy they applied to overcome those challenges? Okay, so this will be really one of the inspirational model. Those who are starting a new business, I think this will really help. Now let us get started. So first of all, I would like to introduce Maruti Suzuki. The Maruti Suzuki, one of the leading car manufacturer in India, faced a very tough physical year due to multiple challenges, including labor strikes, weak demand, and rising fuel prices. Especially, I have taken these details in the year of 2011, the Economic Times, which is published on 21st March. Despite selling 1.27 million cars in previous fiscal year, 25% of the growth, the company anticipated stagnant or slightly lower sales in the current year, 2011. That was I'm going to point out. Now, these are the major challenges they faced because of various factors. There is a slip in selling. Okay, that is a major challenges they faced. Similarly, the key challenges faced by the Maruti Suzuki are as follows. So these are the challenges. I would like to discuss the challenges. First one is macroeconomic factors impacting demand. Number one, slower economic growth in India reduced consumer spending. Purchasing power has been reduced. Then rising interest rate made car loans expensive. Because of that, many people didn't go ahead with loans. Increasing fuel prices discouraged car purchases. That is another issue because fuel price at that time it had increased very high. Declining the stock market lowered customer confidence. That was another challenges faced. So moving further, the second challenge was segments contributing to car demand. The first time buyers continued purchasing despite economic slowdown, no problem. Replacement buyers delayed buying decisions due to financial uncertainty. Correct. Other one is actually called the luxury segment. The growth slowed as consumers postponed additional car purchase. These are the few factors that is comes under segment contributing to car demand. Now, petrol versus diesel car demand. High petrol prices made diesel cars more attractive. Maruti had limited production capacity of diesel car, leading to longer waiting list. Also, if I want to order a Maruti car, especially for diesel segment, I need to wait very longer time. Surplus petrol car inventory lead to supply demand mismatch. That is another fact they faced. Moving further, impact of international economic conditions on exports. Europe, Maruti's major export market faced an economic crisis at the particular era. Maruti shifted focus to Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America to reduce dependency on Europe. That is also another factor. The strategy to regain the market share, they followed the certain strategy. Now let us figure out what are the strategy they followed. Number one, increase the diesel car production. So they have tie up with the popular manufacturers such as Fiat for diesel engine. Fiat company, they have tied up. They have made one like a joint venture or some kind of tie-up, and they started partnership with the Fiat, and they started manufacturing new diesel engines. Expand exports to new market beyond Europe. They identified new places where export can be increased. Improve labor relation to avoid production losses. There were more number of strike which is happened in the Delhi region. To avoid that, they made like they started supporting the laborers, they started supporting the employees. They have to give more, they spend more on employees. Strengthen marketing and promotional activities to attract the customers. They started new marketing criteria. They started with the new offers. Okay, they had deal with the new the new market expansion technique. Focus on innovation and introduce fuel efficient mileage, especially like the mileage is one of the challenging factor. So they started increasing the mileage kilometer per liter. and eco-friendly models also, like Bharat Safety 6 standard they started to introduce, right? So these are the major strategy they improved to regain the market share. Okay. The conclusion was Maruti Suzuki faced a lot of challenges in the year of 2011, which I mentioned over there, because of labor strike, then changing the customer preferences and economic factors. Then, by increasing the diesel car production, they tied up with one of the Fiat company, expanding into new markets and improving the labor relations. The company aimed to maintain its market leadership in India. Suppose if you are also in the similar pattern of business, you can apply these strategies, right? So if you apply these strategies, definitely you can regain your market once again. So if you have any queries related to discussion, you can use the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll be coming up with a similar kind of case studies in the future lecture series. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you again.